KTLA5's John Fenolio joins us live in studio with all the late developments and reaction tonight. Hi, John.
Court, Mark, that's right. After weeks of heated partisan debate and national conversations about sexual assault and due process, tonight, Judge Kavanaugh was sworn to the Supreme Court. It took 89 days from nomination to confirmation for new Justice Kavanaugh, the most time for any justice since Clarence Thomas in 1991.
Judge Brett Kavanaugh, sworn in as the 114th Supreme Court Justice. Behind closed doors, Chief Justice John Roberts and retired Justice Anthony Kennedy administering the oath of office.
The system is corrupt, and that's why we disrupt.
Outside, protesters flooding the steps of the nation's high court. And in the Senate gallery.
Just a few hours ago, the U.S. Senate confirmed Judge Brett Kavanaugh to the United States Supreme Court.
President Trump celebrating the vote to confirm his second nominee to the court at a rally in Kansas. Multiple women accused Kavanaugh of sexual misconduct, including Dr. Christine Blasey Ford, who claims Kavanaugh sexually assaulted her when they were in high school back in the 80s. Accusations he's denied. After weeks of heated debate and a second FBI background investigation, the Senate voting 50-48 to confirm Kavanaugh.
On this vote, the ayes are 50. The nays are 48.
Two senators crossing party lines. Democrat Joe Manchin of West Virginia, who is facing re-election in November in a state that voted overwhelmingly for then-candidate Trump in 2016. And moderate Republican Senator Lisa Murkowski of Alaska.
I could not conclude that he is the right person for the court.
Initially undecided, Republican Susan Collins of Maine casting a crucial vote in favor of Kavanaugh.
I do not believe that these charges can fairly prevent Judge Kavanaugh from serving on the court.
Democrats insist the charges weren't thoroughly investigated and that Kavanaugh gave misleading statements under oath.
There's reason to be concerned about Judge Kavanaugh's candor. And then last, I think Dr. Ford brought forward credible allegations that were not corroborated because corroboration wasn't looked for. You can't find what you don't look for.
A historic and bitter confirmation battle, political observers say, will likely energize both Democrats and Republicans ahead of the November midterms.
I think that it will be a blue swell, not a blue wave, especially the way that the election is shaking out right now. But we still have 4 weeks, and a lot can happen between now and then.
Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer calls the confirmation one of the saddest moments in the history of the Senate. Justice Kavanaugh will start presiding over cases when he joins the 8 other justices on Tuesday. I'll send it back to you.